Hello student, good morning. Today in this video we discuss about the class 6 general knowledge lesson 16 India in the 21st century. In this lesson we have to deal about the different achievers, means players or other person, great persons. But before that we discuss about the homework. Those are given in previous online class. First you see the homework. Okay student, now you have take copy and pen. Now I am solving the homework. Those are given in previous online class, means on 21st July. Lesson 14, art and fabric. But before that I inform to you, due to reduce the syllabus I cut some lesson, so don't confused. Whatever lesson I read or I explain, you read that lesson only, okay? Due to the reduce the syllabus, okay, because CBSE give the inform to all schools and teachers, please reduce the syllabus due to the coronavirus. Here first name the following. This art from originated from Andhra Pradesh and patronized later by the Mughals. And answer is Kalamkari art. Next, this art form elaborate and heavy embroidery is done with the help of metallic threads on various fabrics. Answer is Jardoji art. Question number 3. The famous embroidery of Punjab showcases amazing colorful patterns on dupattas, odhanis, shawls and kurtis. Answer is Fulkari pattern. Next, question number 4. Delicate embroidery from the city of Nawabs, Lucknow, is artful done with white thread on the cotton and other fabrics. Answer is Chikankari art, famous in our country, and this Chikankari art originate in Lucknow. 5th, this tie and dye print is a favorite of women and is worn on festivals and auspicious occasions. Answer is Bandhani print. You have write this homework in copy in proper way and learn also. And in comment box you have write name, class and section for your attendance. Okay. Lesson 16, India in the 21st century. Answer the following questions. Here some questions are given, 10 questions are given. Here I am solving the one by one. See here. Answer the following questions. Question is, which Indian athlete won the first individual gold medal at the Olympics? Which Indian player won the first individual gold medal at the Olympic? Yeah. Right answer is here Abhinav Bindra. Abhinav Bindra. Next, question number 2. India has been able to completely eradicate this major disease. Which disease is completely eradicated by the India in our country? Which disease? Polio. You know that polio is a viral disease and a disease caused by the virus, and in our country completely eradicate. Okay. Now question number 3. At these games in 2010, India won a total of 101 medals, highest so far. This is the highest medals in any game, in these games. Where? Yeah, Commonwealth Games. Which game? Commonwealth Games. You know that in Commonwealth Games, Australia, Britain, New Zealand and other African countries, India, Pakistan and other countries also participate in this game. Now question number 4. India has won this cricket tournament twice. Twice means 2 times. Means India has won this cricket tournament twice, 2 times. Yes, ICC Cricket World Cup. India has won ICC Cricket World Cup cricket tournament twice, 2 times won. Now question number 5. This lunar probe from India detected water on the moon for the first time. Means you know that our country launched a moon mission, and this moon mission, you know that what is it called? Chandrayaan first. Chandrayaan first. And you know that Chandrayaan first, this probe from the India detected water on the moon for the first time. Means Chandrayaan first observed, and they detect the water available on the moon surface. Now question number 6. What is the name given to the cleanliness movement initiated by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi to make India clean? And this movement is called Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Now next question, question number 7. Question number 7. This is the largest metro network in India with a total network length of 373 kilometers and has 2250 stations. And answer is Delhi Metro. Delhi Metro is the largest metro network in India, and with a total network length of 373 kilometers and has 250 stations, metro stations. Okay, now question number 8. This is the only airport in the world, not only in India, in the world, to make run completely on solar power. Means this airport is use the solar power and completely based work on the solar power. And which? Kochi Airport. Kochi Airport is the only airport in the world to run completely on solar power. Now question number 9. A.R. Rahman Reshul Pukutti and Guljar won the Oscar for their work in this movie. Which movie? Slumdog Millionaire. Slumdog Millionaire. Next, this is Slumdog Millionaire. Question number 10. This is the India's first private train traveling between Lucknow and Delhi. Private train, and they run from the between the in Lucknow to Delhi to Lucknow, and answer is Tejas Express. Tejas Express is the first India's first private train traveling between Lucknow and Delhi. Now all student, you have take copy and pen. Now write homework of lesson 16, India in the 21st century, date 23rd July. Answer the following questions. Question number first, which Indian athlete won the first individual gold medal at the Olympics? Okay, second question, India has been able to completely eradicate this major disease. Question number third, at this game in 2010, India won a total of 101 medals. Question number 4, India has won this cricket tournament twice. 5, this lunar probe from India detected water on the moon for the first time. Question number 6, what is the name given to the cleanliness movement initiated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to make India clean? Question number 7, this is the largest metro network in India. This is the largest metro network in India. Next, this is the only airport in the world to run completely on solar power. Question number 9, A.R. Rahman, Rachel Fokete and Guljar won the Oscar for their works in this movie. And question number 10, this is India's first private train. You have write this homework in copy and try to solve this, answer the following questions, this homework, and you know that in next video I will solve, and you whatever you got homework or classwork, you will learn proper way, and God bless you. Thank you. And you have write name, class and section in comment box, and also subscribe the channel for getting the latest video of GK. Thank you for watching my GK video. Thank you.